Hi kids. So today I'm going to be reading and explaining कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. This poem is written by Sohan Lal Dwivedi and it's extremely motivating and meaningful. I hope you enjoy it and like it as much as I do. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. लहर is wave, dar fear, nauka boat, and par is to go across. So here the poet is saying that if a boat has a fear of waves in the sea, then how will it ever go across? How will it move past the waves and reach its destination? Now, उसी तरह कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. कोशिश is effort or trying, and har is defeat. So a person who always puts in an effort and keeps trying to reach his destination, उसकी कभी हार नहीं होती. He will never be a failure in life because he will never fail. Every time he fails, he keeps trying and he will always make to his destination. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न अखरता है. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. Here the poet is giving you an example of a small ant, नन्ही चींटी, जब दाना लेकर चलती है, when it carries a grain and walks, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है. When it climbs up the wall, वो 100 बार फिसलती है. 100 बार is 100 times it slips and falls. मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है. But whenever a person or anyone falls, it is their self-confidence. मन का विश्वास is self-confidence. रगों में साहस भरता है. When a man, a person has self-confidence, then it gives them courage. चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न अखरता है. It gives them courage to keep climbing back even when they fall, so that when they fall, they do not feel disappointed or disheartened. They don't feel sad that, oh, I fell again. They are confident enough in themselves to again climb up the same ladder again with the same enthusiasm. आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. You should always remember that in the end, उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती. The hard work you put in to keep trying, वो बेकार नहीं होती. It will never be wasted. It will never go to a waste. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. People who put effort and keep trying, वो बेकार कभी नहीं होगा. They will always succeed in the end. डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौटकर आता है. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर काली हाथ लौटकर आता है. A diver who dives into the sea, every time he dives into the sea, it's not that he gets something, right? जा जाकर काली हाथ लौटकर आता है. Normally he returns back empty-handed. मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. It is not a normal, easy thing to find something valuable every time he dives. Every single dive, he's not rewarded with something valuable. तो वो कैसे करता है? How does he keep diving back in? बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. Now he has to motivate himself. Dugna is double. So every time he has to dive back, put in the same effort, he has to motivate himself, double the excitement and enthusiasm, that I will not return back empty-handed every time. I will be surprised this time. मुट्ठी उसकी काली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. He has to motivate himself that no, this time I'm going to be surprised, and then his fist will not be empty again and again every time he returns. There will be a time when he finds something precious and valuable. कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. Here the poet gives a beautiful example of a diver and says कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. If he thinks, oh, I'm putting my effort and it's a waste, and he loses hope, then he will never find that one chance where he could find something valuable. So this way the poet is telling you that put in effort, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती, and remember that you are never a failure unless you keep trying till you succeed. असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक न सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. This is a beautiful paragraph where they say असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो. Think of failure as a challenge in life and accept it as a challenge in life. क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो. And when you fail in something, see where you're lacking. What was lacking in your effort that time when you failed, and सुधार करो and make sure that you correct it the next time you try. जब तक न सफल हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. Until you succeed, keep at it. Sacrifice your sleep, sacrifice your rest. संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम. But don't leave the battlefield and run away. Here he means that don't run away from your problem. If there's a problem, take failure as a challenge that you can overcome. See what went wrong, where you went wrong, what was lacking in your effort. Put in that effort, leave everything and try your best, but don't leave till you succeed. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. It is only when you put in this much effort, try, and then achieve something that people also acknowledge it and praise you. So, without doing something, nobody is going to acknowledge you. Know this, and कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. Keep trying. Don't be a failure. Take failure as a challenge and overcome it. I really hope you liked this poem. I have marked all the difficult words and written the meanings on top of them so that you can also understand when you read it yourself, word-wise. Hope this helped. Thank you.